Hi, my name is Alexis Diaz, and today I will be teaching finding slope, all four possibilities, using rise over run method. So what is slope? Slope is a steepness or slant of a line. Slope is rise over run. Rise up or down. Going up being positive, going down being negative. Over run. Going left being negative and going right being positive. Remember, there are four possibilities for the slope of a line. 1 being positive slope, being a negative slope, being an undefined slope, or being a zero slope. Now, there are formulas when finding a slope. These include slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So where do you get these numbers from? Well, you plug it in. You have x1, y1, and x2, and y2. y1, x1, x2, and y2. You plug it in. Then you have the slope intercept equation, which contains y equals mx plus b. What is m? M equals slope, rise over run. B equals y intercept. Now, graph the line with a slope of 3. Graph the line with a slope of 3 and y-intercept of 2. So how do you do this? First, they give you the slope. Slope, rise over run. So slope m equals 3. Y-intercept b equals 2. Now, remember, you need the slope-intercept equation. Y equals mx plus b. Therefore, you plug in 3 for slope and 2 for y-intercept. which gives you y equals 3x plus 2. Your y-intercept being 2, 1, 2. 3 being your slope, which is really 3 over run. So, rise over run equals 3 over 1. Since this is positive, you go up 3 and you go right 1. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, right 1. So forth, down. 1, 2, 3, left 1. 1, 2, 3, left 1. 1, 2, 3, run 1. So what type of line does this give you? Is this a positive slope, a negative slope, an undefined slope, or a zero slope? This is a positive slope. Now, graph y equals 2x plus 2. They give you the slope. Remember, being negative, you go down 2. Being positive, you go right 3. Rise over run. Y-intercept, negative 2. Your starting point is negative 2. Negative 2. 1, 2. Slope, negative 2 over 3. You go down 2, 1, 2, right 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 2, 1, 2, run 3. 1, 2, 3. And so forth. Up 2, 1, 2, left 3. 1, 2, 3. If you keep doing that, you will have a line. Now, what kind of line is this? Is this a positive slope? Is this a negative slope? Is this an undefined slope? Or is this a zero slope? This is a negative slope. Graph y equals 2. And graph x equals negative 3. Remember, y equals mx plus b. Now, y equals 2 does not have a slope. Y equals 2 does not have an x. Y equals 2 only has a y-intercept. Therefore, your starting point is negative 2. 1, 2. Since you have no slope or rise or run, therefore, you do not rise or run. Now, is this a positive slope? Is this a negative slope? Is this an undefined slope? Or is this a zero slope? This is a zero slope. Graph x equals negative 3. Remember, y equals mx plus b. X equals negative 2 gives you no slope. X equals negative 3 gives you no y. X equals negative 3 only gives you a b. X being x intercept, starting point is negative 3. Therefore, on the x, you locate 3, negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Since you have no rise or run or slope, you do not rise or run. What type of line is this? Is this a positive slope, a negative slope, an undefined slope, or a zero slope? This is an undefined slope. Remember, zero slope is going horizontal. Undefined slope is going vertical. Positive slope is going positive to negative. And negative slope is going negative to positive. Thank you for watching.